Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the memory module, loosen the 2 screws on the rear of the base cover. Remove the other 7 screws and pry the cover off the system. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the memory module. Use your fingertips to carefully spread apart the securing clips. Lift the module out of the system. To reinstall the memory module, slide the memory module into the slot at an angle. Press down until it clicks into place. Plug in the battery cable. Place the base cover back on the system and secure it with the 9 total screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.